I love waking up early and taking a minute to watch the sunrise. It's a small thing, but it really sets the tone for my day. After that, I take my dog for a walk. It's part of my routine. She gets her time outside, and I get my steps in and clear my head a little before work. Then I make my first coffee of the day and sit down at my desk. The first thing I'm going to do today is reviewing a new product sample that I received yesterday from my suppliers in China. We're always looking for ways to improve our products, even if it's a small modification, because those details really matter. To make sure our new idea actually makes sense, I'm going to create a poll using Helium 10. I want to see what customers would prefer for our champagne tower setup. The older version of our product can only create a triangle shape, but the updated version would allow both a triangle and a square setup. So the poll is simply asking which layout people like more. For this one, I'm going to use Pinterest images as examples because they're really good photos of both setups and it makes it easy for people to compare. Once the poll is created, I'm moving on a few other tasks while it runs. Then it's a matcha break time. I've been really into matcha lately, so it's my little reset in the middle of the day. When I come back, the poll results are ready, and we can see that customers actually prefer the updated version, which is great because it confirms the modification idea. After I finish a few more things, it's time to unpack groceries and I'm heading to an appointment. I usually bring my laptop with me so I can keep working while I'm out. When I get home, I spend more time with my animals and try to slow down a little. And that's pretty much for the day, ending with one more beautiful view of the sunset.